Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to run a promotion program in Odoo. So to do that in this platform you use the discounts, promotions and loyalty system. So this lets you automatically apply discounts, free gifts, coupons or special pricing rules to your online store or sales orders. So actually guys, first you will need just go to the sales right here and then go with the configuration at the top bar and go with the settings. So it's the first option, and here guys you will need to go and click on or inside the search bar here and just look for the promotions, coupons and loyalty program, even the gift card. So actually that's the option. So it says and manage promotions, coupons, loyalty cards, gift cards, etc. So just go ahead and check it and check the discount, loyalty and gift card for the website app as well. And once finished guys, you will need to go back here, then just save and then go with the apps here, and that's to install the promotions model, right, if needed of course. So you will need just to use the search bar here and look for the sales coupons, or if you can't find it you will need actually to type loyalty. So it's available in some regions, so you will need just to type what I'm typing right here, promotions. Alright, so if you can't find anything just like me, you will need just to stay with the sales, right? So that app or that model. So now you will need to go with sales again, go with the products right here, go with the price lists or the product itself, right? So now just select products or go with new, and here on the internal notes you can talk about the products or the program, and you can add discounts just right here, okay, so next to it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.